Have you ever wondered if your steam cleaner is safe for every surface in your home? The answer might surprise you. Steam can clean some surfaces quickly and effectively, but for others, it can be a bad choice. In this video, we'll show you where you can safely use a steam cleaner and where you shouldn't. Let's get started. Ceramic tile is one of the most common surfaces found in homes. It easily withstands both high temperatures and moisture, making it an excellent choice for steam cleaning. In the kitchen, steam easily removes grease, food splatters, and everyday dirt without damaging the surface. One of the biggest advantages of steam cleaning in the kitchen is its ability to break down grease without harsh chemicals. Instead of scrubbing for minutes, hot steam softens greasy buildup, making it much easier to wipe away. It's a fast, simple, and effective way to keep ceramic tile looking clean and fresh. Grease isn't the only problem in the kitchen. Steam is especially useful for cleaning the narrow grout lines between ceramic tiles, where dirt gradually builds up over time. These hard-to-reach areas are often the most difficult to clean using only a cloth or sponge. But not every kitchen surface is steam safe. If your countertop is made of natural wood without a durable, protective finish, it's best to avoid steam cleaning. Over time, heat and moisture can penetrate the wood, causing it to swell or warp. Many people assume that all wooden countertops are the same. They're not. Some have durable, factory-applied protective finishes, while others are protected only with natural oils or waxes, making them far more sensitive to heat and moisture. At first glance, two wooden countertops can look almost identical, but the way they're finished can make a huge difference. That's why it's always worth checking the manufacturer's care instructions before using steam. One of the most frustrating places to clean in any bathroom is the shower glass. Soap scum, hard water stains, and everyday residue can quickly make even a beautiful bathroom look dirty. Fortunately, this is one of the surfaces where a steam cleaner really shines. Keeping shower glass clean isn't just about appearance. Removing buildup regularly also helps maintain the clear, bright look of the entire bathroom. Steam is especially effective because it reaches the edges and corners of the shower enclosure with very little effort. These are the areas that are often the most difficult to clean with a regular cloth or sponge. The result is a cleaner shower with less time and less scrubbing. Chrome bathroom fixtures are another surface that responds well to steam cleaning. Steam helps loosen everyday residue around faucets and handles, especially in hard-to-reach areas. With regular maintenance, chrome surfaces can keep their clean, polished appearance without aggressive scrubbing. Never use a steam cleaner directly on electrical fixtures in the bathroom. Power outlets, light switches, LED mirrors, and other electrical components should always be cleaned without directing steam at them. Heat and moisture can penetrate inside and increase the risk of damage. Another surface that deserves extra attention is painted walls and cabinets. Unlike ceramic tile, some painted finishes are not designed for repeated exposure to high-temperature steam. Over time, the paint may begin to soften, blister, or peel. The biggest mistake is assuming that every painted surface is the same. Some modern paints are highly durable, while others can be damaged much more easily by repeated exposure to heat and moisture. If you don't know what type of finish was used, it's better to choose a gentler cleaning method. Let's move into the living room. We'll start with a fabric sofa. If the manufacturer's care label allows steam cleaning, a steam cleaner can be an effective way to freshen the fabric and remove everyday dirt. Before using a steam cleaner, take a moment to check the care label. Not all upholstery fabrics are made from the same materials, and cleaning recommendations can vary from one sofa to another. The same cleaning method isn't suitable for every type of fabric. One reason many people choose steam cleaning for fabric sofas is that it can freshen the upholstery without leaving it soaking wet. Used correctly, it leaves the fabric lightly damp rather than saturated with water. A slow, steady movement usually gives better results than holding the nozzle in one place. Steam needs time to work, but fabric doesn't need prolonged exposure to heat. When used correctly, steam can refresh many types of fabric upholstery without relying on harsh cleaning chemicals. That's one of the reasons steam cleaners have become so popular for household cleaning. Now let's look at a surface that should not be steam cleaned. Natural leather and steam are not a good combination. Repeated exposure to heat and moisture can gradually dry out the leather, causing it to lose its softness and natural finish. Unlike fabric, genuine leather contains natural oils that help keep it soft and flexible. Excessive heat can gradually reduce that natural moisture balance, making proper leather care even more important. Unlike fabric upholstery, genuine leather is designed to be maintained with dedicated leather conditioners. These products help preserve the material's natural look and flexibility without exposing it to unnecessary heat. Genuine leather can last for decades when it's cared for properly. That's why choosing the right cleaning method matters from the very beginning. Next, let's step into the children's room. Soft plush toys can also be steam cleaned, as long as the manufacturer's care instructions allow it. A light pass of steam can help freshen the fabric without harsh cleaning chemicals. Unlike many other household items, plush toys are handled every day and often stay close to a child's face. That's one reason it's important to keep them clean using a method that's suitable for the material. For the best results, let plush toys dry completely before giving them back to a child. This helps the fabric and filling return to their normal condition after steam cleaning. Another surface that responds well to steam cleaning is hard plastic. Children's tables, chairs, and many plastic toys can be cleaned with steam to remove everyday dirt from hard, non-porous surfaces. Just avoid directing steam into battery compartments, speakers, or other electronic parts. By now, you've probably noticed that a steam cleaner can be useful in almost every room of the house, if it's used on the right surfaces. Some materials handle steam cleaning very well, while others can be damaged by high heat or moisture. That's why it's important not only to know how to use a steam cleaner, but also to understand which surfaces are truly suitable for this kind of cleaning. Choosing the right cleaning method helps preserve the appearance of your furniture, finishes, and interior details, while also helping you avoid costly mistakes. Today, there are many different types of steam cleaners available, from compact handheld models to powerful canister systems. No matter which type you choose, the basic principles of safe and effective steam cleaning always remain the same. You'll find a link to a recommended steam cleaner in the video description below. Thank you for watching. Now you know where steam cleaning delivers great results and where it's best avoided. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.